Shetland, the place to be.
We aim for Lerwick to be the decommissioning port of choice for the northern North Sea, where we've got big, heavy concrete structures and large topsides that need to come ashore.
The number of platforms that are out there, there is hundreds. In terms of the tonnage, 70% of that is in the northern and northern central sectors.
Lerwick is close to many of the North Sea developments now reaching the end of their working lives. It's ready to meet the oil and gas industry's needs in the disposal and recycling of large offshore structures.
There's been quite a number of big projects handled already.
Greenhead Base is currently the only licensed, compliant decommissioning site in Scotland. There, Peterson UK Limited and partner Veolia have successfully dealt with over 40,000 tonnes of offshore topsides and subsea equipment.
Biggest one here would be the Frigg field for Total. Started off, we had both ends of the spectrum for that project. Piece small, which meant it was cut up offshore, placed in containers and taken to shore, and then it was tipped and processed. And a lot of logistics going out to support those cutting operations. And the other side of that was a big single piece. It was 9,600 tonne in weight with the grillage, and we had the job of managing the loading of that as a single piece from the barge, which was an interesting challenge in itself. I think to date it's still the biggest to be loaded into the UK.
Lerwick has been servicing the offshore oil and gas industry for more than half a century, and it has already established a reputation for decommissioning. Peterson UK Limited operates at Greenhead, which has specially strengthened quays, incorporating an integrated heavy lift pad and a licensed decommissioning pad with up to 9 metres of water depth alongside. There are controlled discharge areas and quayside waste management. A waste-to-energy incinerator and a modern landfill site are immediately to hand. And naturally occurring radioactivity in scales and sludges can be handled. Extensive open storage, warehousing and laydown areas are also available. As well as the infrastructure needed for decommissioning, Lerwick has experienced local service providers offering project support, logistics, fabrication and engineering.
Companies here in Shetland can respond quickly and efficiently.
Certainly Shetland companies are really well equipped to deal with the decommissioning.
We see it as being, in the future, being a pretty big part of our business as well.
Dalesforth's a fantastic asset for the port because right into the inner Voe we've got more than 30 metres of water depth.
Lerwick Port Authority and Peterson's are spearheading a £20 million investment in Lerwick's Dalesvoe base, with the aim of creating a sister decommissioning facility for Greenhead.
The jetty that's there is 12.5 metres deep, so again a significant piece of infrastructure. And what we're planning to do is to extend that jetty, and this will give us good flexibility and one of the heaviest weight-bearing loads of any port in UK.
Shetland has the location, the experience, the facilities and the people to tackle major decommissioning projects right now. And it's investing heavily to ensure that its capacity continues to grow. For decommissioning, Shetland is the place to be.